MyFitnessPal how to use. MyFitnessPal how to use. Firstly, open MyFitnessPal app. You can see here different options. Firstly, that there is an option of dashboard at the bottom. You have to click on the dashboard. You can see your per day limits of the calories you can see at the dashboard. Now at the next option there is diary. Click on it. You can see here diary. You can add breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, exercise and water here. The next one is news feed. You can study the news feeds from here, plans and the more option. Here you can add more options, like you can add your workouts, walking, nutrition and meal plans. You can search for a food which you want from here. You can add recipes from here. In this way you can use how to use MyFitnessPal app. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully. Consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.